This video is about how to make Canva poster design. Open a blank video page, click on Elements. In the search box, search for table. Click on Photos. Let's select this one. Now place it here and increase its size up to the size of page. Now click on Elements. In the search box, search for pizza. Let's select this one. Click on BG remover to remove its background. Let's place it here. Reduce size from here and increase from this point. Reduce size from bottom from this point. Now click on text, add a heading. Let's add this text. Click on color, select white color. Click on font. Let's select zinc bust based font. Apply this. Let's place this text here. Increase its size like this. Now add another heading like this. Reduce its size and place it here from the right side, just below this text. Click on color. Let's select this color. Click on font. Select this Aki font. Now select this text, increase its size, place it here. Now click on Elements. In the search box, search for strip. Click on Graphics. Let's select this one. Reduce its size. Let's place it here. Click on text, add a heading, add a subheading like this. Reduce its size and place it above this like this so that it will look like button. Click on effects, increase intensity. Click on this text, click on font, select this font Aki. Now select both these text and shape and group them. Now click on Elements. In the search box, search for delivery. Click on Graphics. Let's select this image. Reduce its size. Place it here above the button. Now in the search box of Elements, select Basil. Let's select this one. Reduce its size. Click on Layer, send backward. Now select this one. Place it here on the top right side. Now in the search box, search for chili. Let's select this one. Let's place it here. Click on Layer, send backward. In the search box of Elements, select for spoon fog. Under graphics, let's select this one and place it here. Now click on elements. In the search box, search for circle. Let's add it and reduce its size like this. Place it here. Click on text, add a heading. Let's add some text here like this. Click on font. Let's select the Spartan. Apply this. Duplicate this and write it below this and change its text. Now adjust both these. Click on color. Let's select this color. Select this image. Click on animate. Create an animation and move it like this. Click on movement style. Select steady. Click on effects. Select outline. Under color, let's select this color. Change its color and it's done. I hope you like this video. Kindly share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.